Welcome to day 11 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called Release and Renew. So this practice is all about letting go of physical tension and mental stress, allowing ourselves to embrace a state of renewal and rejuvenation. So without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just taking a moment to really feel into the body, coming out of the head, into the body, into the present moment. Just breathing in and breathing out. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Let it out with a big sigh. Letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling into the body. Nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, knees and hips soften, opening the door. Like we're riding on a wave in the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. One more time, opening the door. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. This hand floats in front, the other behind as you gently rotate to one side. Coming back to center, the arms float out to the sides, and then this hand in front, the other one behind, clearing the field. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, clearing the field. Now this time, this hand floats in front, the other one goes to the lower back. The front hand keeps on going all the way up and over, and then down, like we're scooping up water from the river or the pond, and then letting it go. The Zen circles. All right, one more time. And then reverse direction with the hand. Both arms float out to the sides, and then we'll switch sides. This one in front, the other one goes to the lower back. The front hand keeps going all the way up and over, making a big circle. The Zen circles. Breathing in, breathing out, opening the shoulder, lubricating the joints. One more time, Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front arm. The other arm floats out to the side. And then from here, the arms float down, the fingertips point up. Gently rotate towards one side. One hand spirals forward, the other behind. Other side, making the tiger claws. Breathing in and breathing out. Once again, gentle rotation. Spiraling the arms, making the claws. One more time. This time the fingertips keep going all the way up overhead, spiraling out and away and down. Silk railing upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. Or taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep breathing, keep on moving. One more time, upward spirals. And then from here, the arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other, the hands float up and then down. The fountain. Breathing in, breathing out. As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, they circle all the way around, then they come out in front, making 2 loose fists, and then open, rowing the boat. So the palms are open, then making 2 loose fists as you come down. It's again opening, making the fists, softening down, rising up as you breathe in, softening as you breathe out. One more time, rowing the boat. And then from here, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. The top hand goes behind the back, just for now. Step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. The bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Parting the wild horse's mane. Circle it around again. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time we'll catch the moon, and then making 2 loose fists, we'll spin the moon, one fist overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently look to the side. And then coming back to center, release, catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side, gentle rotation with 2 loose fists. Reversing direction, catch the moon, one more time, riding the tiger. 2 loose fists, bottom one comes up, the other one by the waist. And then parting the horse's mane one last time to this corner. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. The arms open wide, then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back, step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. This time we'll catch the moon and then make 2 loose fists as you spin the moon, reversing direction. Bottom fist comes up, the other one by the waist. Gently look to the side and then come back to center. Catch the moon, spin the moon, look to the side. Breathing in and breathing out, riding the tiger. And then parting the wild horse's mane one more time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side this time. And as you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it back around, warding off. Expanding and lifting. One more time, ward off. Then the bottom hand comes under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving, going with the flow. And then this time you can toss it away. The arms float out to the side, the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. and then release. The arms separate and then draw them in towards the heart, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. And then from here, sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side, and as you step out, bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hand comes down. Circle it around again, warding off. One more time. This time, bottom hand comes under. The fingertips slide down as you shift the weight back, and then circle it around again. Roll back. All right, one more time. This time, toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down. Toss away. Fold it in. Press forward. One more time, the press. Nice and soft. And then the hands separate. Draw them in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then sit back and open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in as you catch the moon. Step out as you ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press forward. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back. This time, hug the tree. Take your time as you step in. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down. And then drifting over to one side, the same side arm floats up in front. Drifting over to the other side. The arm floats up. We're bouncing the ball. This time you can lift the opposite leg if you like to. You can always touch down. Other side, lifting the arm, opposite leg, touching down as needed. Bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. So touching down or lifting up. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. And then circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, renewal and rejuvenation. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down as you soften down as well. Then circle the hands in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time, making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. Then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the body breathing. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi Flow. Stick around for just another minute for your poem of the day. So today's poem that I created for this class is called The Breath of Renewal. With each exhale, I release. Tension fades, giving way to peace. Inhale deeply, feel the new. In calm surrender, I renew. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to click the link here to go to your strength video of the day, and I'll see you over there.